Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to show battery percentage on status bar inside the battery icon in Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, yung you have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to notification and status bar. Okay, click notification and status bar. And okay guys, here in notification and status bar section, you can see the show battery percentage on status bar. And okay guys, yung you have to do is click the show battery percentage on status bar. And the pop-up are show. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to show battery percentage on status bar inside the battery icon in Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, you only have to do is select or click the inside the battery icon. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully showed the battery percentage on status bar inside the battery icon in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.